Good morning guys. O diba? Another walang kwentang vlog. So we're gonna do a tutorial today. Para may value naman tong vlog na to. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do the tools here in Facebook. You go to your professional dashboard and all the way down you will go see moderation assist. Click that portion. Okay, and then all the way down you can see manage comments like that, and I have here one. I don't know why. Is this a profile page? I think this is a profile. Okay, I'll go back to my page. Okay, not go back to my page. I'll go to my page, you guys, because that's where my focus with monetization, and that's my focus is. Okay, so I'll go back there. Professional assistance all the way down. Moderation assist. Okay, so I have 9. The reason why I have 9 because there's so many flooding in my messaging inbox. Tama ba? Messenger inbox, and there are lots of profanity there, and there are many crazy people out there that are just sending different kinds of stuff that my eyes are gonna pop up like the Simpsons. So this way, you guys, the moderation assist help you to filter those that are profanity, those bad words, and even up to the comments on your post. Yes, it has the ability to filter those. So that's why. And what I have here are comment has certain keywords, comment has a link, comment has an image, other has their Facebook account for 1 week or less. So yeah, I filtered that. Other has had 3 comments reported, deleted, or hidden by admin in the past 30 days. Author doesn't have any friends or followers. Comment has specific links. Author does not have a profile picture, and comment contains profanity. See, that's a lot, right? That's 9 comments. And if you go to the inbox or like ad section, that's where you can like, you know, there you can whatever, there are keywords and comments that you can add. I think I have here, I think I put sexy in this yeah, in the section. I will just not go over that. So these are my moderation assists that help me to filter those that are really bad. So this really helps my messaging inbox, and yeah, it helps. I think my engagement went down because of this, but I don't mind because I rather have a very clean like, you know, when I look my, or when I use the account, it's, I don't have to worry about deleting something because it's already filtered. It helped me. Moderation assist is very helpful in filtering those that are not so good users. Alright, you guys, this is my vlog for today, how to use moderation assist. I hope this video helped you, and I hope you also can filter your people that you don't like. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye.